Hello, I'm Keith Ford at Brownells, and today I've got my Scorpion EVO Micro, and one of the best and easiest things that you can do to upgrade these is change the grip on it. The grip to me is just a little extreme. I mean, if I'm shooting a Luger, that's fine, but the grip on this right here just isn't quite handy for me. So I'm going to walk you through how to change this out. And one of the best upgrades that you can do to your Scorpion is the Magpul MOE-EVO Grip. This puts the angle just a little bit better and easier for me to handle. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Now let's check, make sure that it's clear before we do anything. Rack our bolt back. Clear right there. Right, now then, we will remove this set screw. Come in here and depress this detent. Slide this brace off. Now then, remove this screw in the grip. And then we shall slide this grip back. Now this will be a little tight, just don't force it. And there we go. Now you can see that the screw slot is elongated in here, so you can adjust the position of that grip forward or back. So now then, let's get our Magpul grip out. And place that back. Right there. And we can kind of feel where it needs to be, which right there. Put our screw back in. Tighten that down. We'll just snug this in. You don't want to kill it. Now then, you can see the angle of the grip is more along the lines of an AR-15. Get you in familiar territory again. To me, that feels just right. So let's stick our brace back on. In position. Put our set screw back in. And there you have it. That's a basic, simple, easy install of the Magpul MOE-EVO Grip on my EVO Micro. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure and drop us a line.